when India's most iconic hospitality brand decides to build a residencies. Expectations are high. Taj Skyview Residencies goes beyond that. This is not just a luxury living, this is Taj living. Hello everyone and a very warm welcome to Housey. This is your host Jetal and today we'll be doing the complete project overview of Taj Skyview Residencies by Taj, which is located in Amanchurai, Chennai. So right now we are here at the marketing office of our project, which is located inside the Empire Skywalk Mall and the land parcel that is just located in 200 meters from this mall. So in this video, we'll be discussing about project overview, location, amenities, super built-up area, booking process, launch discount offers and many more. Now before starting the video, let me introduce you all with Housey. So Housey is nothing but India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate guarantee. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers resulting in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry now because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the broker. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's discuss about the project overview of Taj Skyview. The world's first branded residential in Chennai by Taj is spread across 3.5 acres. Consisting of 2 residential towers and 1 Taj 5-star category hotels with commercial offices tower. Your residential tower starts from 3 basement ground and goes up to 23 floors. That offers you 3 BHK and 4 BHK apartments, additionally 4 and 5 BHK sky villas and penthouses, where every home comes up with private lift lobby with luxury Taj hospitality at your doorsteps. Now let's discuss about the location part, and our project is located in prime location of central Chennai on Nelson Manikam Road in Amanchurai, Chennai, where MGM Healthcare is just opposite to our project, 100 meters away from Sisya School. You get Sharoy Nagar Metro Station in just 1.5 kilometers away from our project with Empire Skywalk Mall just 200 meters away. And you get multiple entertainment and shopping center around our project. Coming to the amenities, and you get world-class luxurious living experience with 35 plus curated amenities like you get a shuttle service available inside the project with valet car parking, rooftop amenities such as aqua gym, sky bridge, beautiful garden, huge swimming pool with deck area. You get multi-purpose court, open air auditorium, box cricket, football ground, and many more luxurious curated amenities. If you're looking to buy a home in Chennai, then here's a strong recommendation from my end. Housey is here with its new series called Rights of Home Buyer. Many home buyers don't exactly know what their rights are. For example, if you book a property by paying the token amount and later on decide to cancel your booking, how much amount is legally deducted from the builder's end? Or else even after possession, some leakage related issue or any construction quality related issue occurs. Is the builder liable for the same? And in this situation, what exactly you can do? All this we have explained in a very simple and easy manner in this series. So before you buy a home, a strong recommendation is that you should watch this series once. You will find the link of the series in the I button and even in the description link below. Now let's discuss about your super built up area, that is the configuration. As mentioned, this project offers you 3 BHK and 4 BHK apartments. 3 BHK apartments starting from 2507 square feet to 3785 square feet super built up area. 4 BHK starting from 4050 square feet to 4136 square feet super built up area. You even get options in sky villas and penthouses of 4 BHK and 5 BHK. Sizes starting from 4136 to 5789 square feet super built up area. Now let's discuss about the booking process. And our project booking window is open now. So we are inviting all our interested clients to come and visit our site, where our sales team will explain the complete project detail via miniature of the project. We'll share the payment and pricing scheme and we'll show you the walkthrough of the project and even the model flat once it's ready. And then if clients like the project, they can proceed for direct booking. So everyone, this was the complete project overview of Skyview Residencies by Taj, which is located in Amanchurai, Chennai. If you're looking for more details of the project, click on the link below to download e-brochure and price sheet.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK, and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.